really pretty one. Oh, dang. I got a good one. Oh, another new species. All right, so we're at here now. We're starting out with a speaky rig tucked with a couple of pieces of shrimp. So we're gonna see what's out here. There we go. First fish of the day. Looks like a sea brim. Yeah, these are really pretty fish. All right, first fish of the day, Sergeant Major. Really pretty colors there. We're gonna let him go. All right. Got another fish on. All right. That's a really pretty one. Juvenile lane snapper. Look at the colors on that one. All right, that's species number 2. Here we go. All right, fish species number 3, an Atlantic bumper. Oh, there it goes. All right, here we go. All right, spot tail pinfish, that's species number 4. Number 4, the spot tail pinfish. Gotta throw them back. Feeding on the top. Oh. Oh, dang. I got a good one. What the heck? What the heck's this? Oh my gosh, it's a new species. Wow, look at that spadefish. Oh my God, that's huge. Yeah, good. All right, we're gonna let him go. Oh, well, I didn't realize that my camera cut off, but I caught this moonfish right here. So that's a new species for me. There's the moonfish right there. So we're gonna let him go. Oh, dang. Oh, another new species. Holy crap. There's species number 3 right there. I believe this is an Irish Mahara, Irish pompano, sometimes they call it.
I also ended up catching 2 other different fish species off camera. The first one being a hairy blenny on the sabiki rig tipped with shrimp. Then I'd switched to a Carolina rig and caught this hardhead catfish. This brought my total species count up to 9 fish species for the day, including 4 new lifers. If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description.
Fish species.